Okay, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys this nice little tool here. This is a tubular lockpick. As you can see, we have a tubular lock here. It's locked now. We have the key. The key does work. And we'll go ahead and lock this back up. And as you can see, it is locked. Lock is in the up position. The way this pick works is you'll see these little spines here and these little pins. And what these little pins do is they come up and they create the cuts where the keyway is. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing all of these pins just past even here. And I'm going to push it down on something flat to make sure they're all nice and flat and even. So this would be a key that has never been cut. Tighten this up a little bit. Not too tight, but just enough. And you can see here at the top, there's a guide that would go in here. So what we'll do is we'll put it in, give it a couple of twists, and, oh, not yet. And there we go. If I were to go ahead and tighten this nut down like that, this now becomes a key. And it works great.